Alors voilà un petit aperçu des effets du filtre polarisant. Voilà, donc là je filme des feuilles. Il n'y a pas de filtre polarisant. Alors maintenant je viens de mettre le filtre polarisant et petit à petit je vais tourner la bague. Voilà, donc on peut voir que les reflets du soleil sur les feuilles ont énormément diminué, on ne les voit quasiment plus et du coup on voit plus de détails sur ces feuilles. Voilà, là je vais tourner la bague dans l'autre sens pour diminuer les effets du filtre et on voit qu'il y a beaucoup plus de lumière et de reflets sur les feuilles. Voilà, on va refaire un petit essai. Je tourne doucement le filtre polarisant. Et on verra s'il y a un changement dans les contrastes. Voilà. Là maintenant j'enlève carrément le filtre, voilà. On va se mettre un plein soleil, quoi pas trop d'ailleurs. Voilà, ce n'est pas un filtre ND, hein, donc voilà, et là, je bouge tout doucement la bague du filtre polarisant. Et là maintenant, je tourne la bague dans l'autre sens. Voilà. Voilà, c'était un petit aperçu des capacités du filtre polarisant KF 67 mm.
Speaking of K&F Concept, this is their phone filter kit. Because what happens if you don't want the whole rig and you want to put on a filter just as you're going? The other day I was at a Mongo's, it's a BD's Mongolian Grill. You probably wouldn't know about it. But anyway, I was filming something as like a portfolio proof of concept. And I didn't want to put on the whole rig because I didn't want to look insane. So in the restaurant, I'm just filming with my phone, and I had the magnetic SSD holder. It was working just fine. But there were a couple times where I was like, man, I wish I had the ND filter so I can keep the frame rate, but then lower the brightness a little bit. This is exactly what you would need. So it's just a phone clip. It's going to go over it, and then we're going to bust out one of our filters. So, first question, it's plastic. Okay, but it feels good. It's a nice strong plastic. I didn't say it was the weakest plastic. There's a rubber on this because it will have to go on your phone screen. And then we can see here, it's going to cover that. So let's throw on a filter. And I really love this variable ND filter from Can. It's hard to say K and F. Almost sounds like KMF, K and F. It's just so sturdy. It's so premium. It's crazy. Now the problem is I have that step adapter, so I'm gonna have to take it off because I did get 67 millimeters for this. So now you could just go ahead and screw it on there. Ooh, screw it on there. Oh, screw it on there. Oh wait, what did I get this one? 67. Oh. Yeah, that's what I got the step adapter for. Because my ND filter is a 62. I'm so stupid. Anyway, screw it on there. Yeah, that's how it works. All right, so now I got the ND filter. Go ahead and plop that on there. Look at that. Look at that. And it makes you look cooler. I don't know about you guys, but I think the filter makes it look so much sweeter. It's like a thin camera. Fantastic. As far as grip strength, let's see. Yeah, that's not going nowhere. That's sturdy. Let me hold it by it. Let me hold it by it. Look at that. That's fantastic. I wish maybe it was metal. That's okay. I mean, you didn't pay for metal. It was honestly a really good price. So this is fantastic, and you'll need one of these. 5 stars.